Welcome back, designers, and it's your boy once again, Russell, come with you with another video, and today's logo challenge number 3. Right, okay, so our challenge here, I'm just gonna open this email up with Amber here, and we're excited that you're taking on our logo redesign. Attached below is the current logo of Twitchy Rabbit. The problem is that it's too detailed and it doesn't work great as our logo, especially at small sizes, and it is something we want to improve on. Now, we'll note that when you guys are making logos, especially logos for corporate companies, it has to be resized. It has to be seen from when it's like really small or if it's really big. So you have to be able to see the logo clearly in all sizes, because you have no idea where this company logos end up. It usually ends up at like small little spots at banners and ball matches and stuff like that. You know, you see all those little logos around in flyers. So you need to have it. You need to be able to see your logo from far and recognize your target audience. Should be able to recognize it from far, and therefore, when you minimize it, it has to be very clear. So Twitchy Rabbit is an email marketing platform similar to MailChimp, and Twitchy the Rabbit is our mascot. We'd like him to be redesigned in a more simple, iconic form that we can use across our products. We are willing to accept solid logo colors or something with multiple colors, as long as it works great in the small size of 50-50 pixel icons. Thank you so much, Elmer Delton, Twitchy Rabbits. Right, so they send me a little logo here on the side, and I'm going from this is their little character right here, and I'm gonna edit this little bunny right here, this little Twitchy Rabbit, and hopefully it goes well. Okay, for today's tutorial, the first thing I did is got a few circles, and I started making a few circles to give a little symmetry to the logo. I was looking for a more furnished look at the end. So what I did was I just used a bunch of circles in the shape builder tool in Illustrator. Created the shape of the rabbit's head. Kind of copied the original design because I didn't want to go too far away from it. So I used a little variation in the stroke to help to make those lines a bit more directional and give it a bit more depth. So I wasn't really happy with the first expression, so I tried to make another one. But the second one I made, sadly, it turned out looking a little bit like a mouse. And you guys will know what I'm talking about in a bit. Cause you can see he looks like a little Casper looking thing. Angry ghost. Slowly transforms into a mouse. Sadly. Well, it was supposed to look like a rabbit, but I think something went wrong somewhere, and he ended up looking like a mouse, so I had to scrap that idea. So generally the client wanted something simple and something easy to see, even when the size is small. So after looking at these two initial logos that I made, I felt like it was way too detailed and it looked way too similar to the original logo. So I decided to try something new instead. So in the next part, what I did was I took a picture of a rabbit, which you can see in the left, which is a rabbit standing up. I just wanted his head, so I tried to make the skeletal shape of the rabbit, made a little silhouette, and tried to keep the little twitchy eyes that he originally has, and it came out looking really good. I really like this one, so I continued to work on it. So in this part I'm making the nose, having a little bit of errors. So basically I use the shape builder tool and the pen tool. I mean, initially I made a pentagon, and then I made the whole shape of the rabbit come to life with the pen tool and the strokes, and later I just cut out all the extras using the shape builder tool like I did earlier. So the end results, I mean, I was pretty happy with it. I liked it at the end because it's definitely scalable now. Like if you scale it down by 10%, 50px as the client recommended, you can see the logo still, and you can recognize the symbol from far, which is how a logo is supposed to act. So, and here's the final product. I hope you guys like this. Please comment if you like to see any more design stuff or want to know any tips about designs. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with all your friends. And I hope we can see you guys in the next tutorial. This is Russell Teixeira. Peace out.